mtu akienda kuona tha hizi foundation ikwithera ria kuna witana you know somebody might need to come
ria uri umenye tukinya rugono roko ba riu ngutwika
a teacher now
riu ngucoka Baptist Academy ndi head teacher
Chuka Baptist Academy
ndi head teacher after all that said and done ngutwika a CEO wa Kamami Foundation who is before you now kwena inge unura leo thubeta kwa Kanoru Kamami the one man guitar actually na twange ona sikari ndi andekete muna kembera wandingere na nambe uri mwalimu ndamukaka one man guitar ko thate sukuru nontinga ansevita one man guitar
Kanoru Kamami
now Christmas Kanoru teacher Chris the head teacher Chuka Baptist Academy.
Nice.
That is where I am based now. Na nenko murombo anego na muratoleo mura turetere twana. This school is doing is scheduled for great heights. It is a standard school. Ile go comprehensive in
junior
junior secondary primary na kindergarten na kedho na grade 9 next year. So everybody
wakikuja watakupata
mwana tetwana makambe na ulio kwigwa umane ka uri retention obini ne twana na ne tukorega none yagite bwa karotha ne cia mone tutireka guceria 1 2 3
exactly
we'll add 1 plus 1
exactly
tuone kalimu account atuletere shilingi 50 mugitonga uri arete thate nani ndi mugitonga ndute 50 kivyangu no twande ngaine ndathimite ndi mugitonga
exactly mwarimu mbere turike kiri muciari ura wina maybe a struggling mwana struggle na drugs kana muntoro tutegete na maybe au ategete mbugi migukaire au kana inchovi na struggle na drugs exactly na ko basaga gitaro
kale andas leo no ambaleria ciari maria mena ciana go struggle kana muntu ule personally go struggle gento kiambale kule ciari don't write off your children ati nuntu mwana wakuru ni anyuire
uona
ndatigire ngairo ona mama wangi na wathomithirie mau kama timurumagia mbia no akakendelea kura mugana muthika na mutugasa tuine tugasa tumuthike
mucere twane
mchungaji au mbuze tumuthike
wane
no kaurero ni mwana na nuntu akinuregire kwenda mwana waku enda mwana oyo muonie wendo and women of that mental illness nuntu it's a disease addiction is a disease ni makwenda muno kwendwa na kuonwa yes you can rehabilitate secondly aciari no tutiga kuona mwana tuika addicted tukana mutuma rehabilitation eno ne thene amuciari no ukona mena muntu thaino
nuje nandika gukinya guntu nuje mwarimu ndithiriti nyantu baikitwe rehab na mpengo
makabina na mpengo ni macoka magasa macoka kuma
bachoko
the thing is yakwa tutendiraga na everybody ni tondira na Kamami Foundation ni na self willed
nimeamua kama karibu
ukegwa baini ndina thina walk with me you come we walk with you muciariro na mwana go struggle tiga kwamba kuthi kumungarithia rehabilitation turetere twambe twikare no end through the sessions
we walk
tumuonie thina ile neo na tu tukamba kumuonia wewe thina te muciari noeu no tutariure tugatari gutea turutawira ugutone into drugs uguteka addicted ni muciari ko kabutwa
ari yoni
no kabuto no karombaga na street no kagenda ka street ni kwigwa mpepo so tukamba kugwikira the mentality at
kuna shida
shida hii yako ndio hii tukakwigira tugaga tukwigagira gicicio mbele yako
ugakiona
tukena runga banyu yako kwera no kuona ure no na tukena kuonia bare othiete na kuria wari tukena kuleta the picture riu wetherwa bare ori environment ni kurega we can take you to a rehab
nice
which now we pay for that
yes
na riu we work with riu taruka Kamami Foundation works in hand with Optimal Hospital ilichuka ni matunenga mono counselors psychiatric ni matutethagire ni botubiraga antu for counseling maria masa so that it's an hospital care bako but ni mato we subsidize the cost mata tulibagia borea nonto kama kuna kitu expensive kufanywa
ni rehab
rehabilitation and counseling aciari yange ma learning matebota anoka thote na mbia ukatwaria tubange we will see.
I don't know whether you mind sharing your number maybe for someone who wants to call
namba yako ni 0725 730 434
chokera
0725 730 434.
Thank you, Mwalimu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tunamtanga teacher. Tunasemanga teacher
Chris.
Teacher Chris. Thank you so much for sharing your journey. It's quite inspiring na ibwaka sana nyawa choka chuko tukethanirie tukeja kuriunga.
Karibuni sana.
Tutakuja.
Leteni ntumba mali uko matakuigoyaga. Matakuigoyaga.
Kwanza ndina customer baire bathatu bari hapo.
Nenkera mondie namo.
Thank you so much Wetegeri wa Wero TV jo ni mubango jo agikaro rugono rwa Teacher Kanoru ari yani umite kuraja ugo no kuringa mbicha mwaka jo mumtu eritie maita jaire lakini here he is now na gwitanguge njaga ero jo kare mubango jo